Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Tamanna Mahmud Urmi. I am working as assistant professor in the Department of Anatomy of Anwer Modern Medical College. Here I take lecture classes in large group discussion, and in small group discussion classes I take histology classes. In our histology lab we have a very good projector microscope. By using that we can teach at a time a huge amount of student a single slide in the same setup.